If you have dozens or even hundreds of products in your Shopify store, editing them one by one can take a huge amount of time. Fortunately, Shopify includes a built-in bulk editor that allows you to update multiple products at once without installing any third-party apps. Whether you want to change prices, update inventory, add tags, or modify product details, Shopify's bulk editor can make the job much faster. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to bulk edit products in Shopify step by step, even if you're completely new to the platform. To get started, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're signed in, click on Products in the menu on the left-hand side. You'll now see a complete list of all the products in your store. The first step is to select the products you want to edit. You can check the boxes beside individual products, or if you want to edit many products at once, use the checkbox at the top to select multiple items. You can also use filters to narrow down your product list. For example, you can filter products by vendor, tag, collection, inventory status, or product type before making your selection. After selecting the products, click the Bulk Edit button. Shopify will open the bulk editor, which looks similar to a spreadsheet. Each row represents a product or variant, while each column represents a specific piece of information, such as price, compare at price, inventory quantity, SKU, or product title. By default, you may only see a few columns. To add more fields, click Columns in the top right corner. You'll now see a list of available product attributes. Select the fields you want to edit. For example, if you want to update prices, make sure Price is selected. If you want to edit inventory or tags, add those columns as well. Now you can begin editing your products. Simply click inside any cell and enter the new value. You can move between cells just like you would in a spreadsheet. If several products need the same value, you can copy and paste information across multiple cells, which can save a lot of time. For example, suppose you want to increase the price of several products. Locate the Price column and enter the new prices directly in the corresponding rows. Similarly, you can update compare at prices, change inventory quantities, or modify product information for many products simultaneously. If your products have variants, you'll notice that each variant may appear as a separate row. Be careful when editing variant information, because changes made to one variant may not automatically apply to others. Another useful feature is filtering within the bulk editor itself. You can sort or review the information before saving to ensure everything looks correct. Always double-check important details like pricing and inventory to avoid accidental mistakes. Once you've finished making changes, click Save in the top right corner. Shopify will process your updates and apply them to all selected products. Depending on the number of products being edited, this process may take a few moments. After saving, it's a good idea to return to your product list and open a few products to verify that the changes were applied correctly. You can also preview your online store to make sure pricing and product information appear as expected. To quickly recap, go to Products, select the products you want to edit, click Bulk Edit, add the necessary columns, make your changes in the spreadsheet-style editor, review everything carefully, and click Save to apply the updates. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to bulk edit products in Shopify without using a third-party app. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.